What is up, guys? Lynn here with another DIY kit from the Japan Tokyo Treat Box. This is January 2019, and this is the sticky Ramune, Ramune, however you want to pronounce it, R-A-M-U-N-E, Ramune candy. So we're going to go ahead and make this, and first off, we will take a look at the packaging, and their packaging is super cute. Like, look at that. That almost looks like ice cream with candy sprinkles in it. So yeah, and it has little pictures on the back. So let's go ahead. I'm so sorry, guys, and open this and see what's in store. Ooh wee. All right. So what we have here is 3 packs. We have a spoon. Oh, this is all dented in. And we have a tray. And here's what we have on the inside here. So, let's see what this says that we need to do. First, it says pour pouch 1 into the round indent on the tray. Then fill the triangle scoop with water and pour that into the round indent. Use the spoon and mix the powder and water well. So let's open this. And pull out pack 1. Let's make sure I'm doing this right. Yeah, pouch 1. It smells like grape cola. Okay. And then they said to mix this up. Getting thick. Oh, it smells good. It literally smells like grape soda. Okay, so now what it says to do is pour pouch 2 into the round indent. Use the spoon and stir well until the color changes. So let's pull out pouch 2, which of course is a smaller pouch. And let's pour this in. And then mix this, as it says, until the color changes. Oh, look at that, guys. That's cool. And look, it's looking like, oh my goodness, it's like the consistency of like a yogurt. Look at that. That is cool. It's amazing how mixing powder changes consistency of stuff. Look at that. That is cool, y'all. It's so thick. Okay, that is cool. I like that. All right, pour pouch 3's colorful Ramune or Ramune candy into the character shape indent. So let's pull out pouch 3, and you can feel it. It feels nice, and it feels like just like little candy bits. All right, and we pour this into the smiley. It's like rock candy. I'll let y'all get a close-up of that. All right, let's get rid of all this stuff. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm just making all kinds of a mess. All right. So let's give you guys a close-up of the candy. It looks just like rock candy. So now if I stop hitting the thing, this is saying to use the spoon to scoop a bunch of the candy mixture, dip it into the candy, and then eat it. So they want us to scoop some of this, dip it in here. You see that? That is so cool. Okay, okay, I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste it, y'all. It's thick. It's fizzy. It's weird. It almost tastes like what am I trying to think of? Meringue? Okay. It's got a twang. Ooh. It's got a twang to it. Now I'm going to try it without the coat, without the little candy crumbles. Look at that. You can see little flecks in it. All right, let's try it. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's tangy. Okay, guys, so it almost has the consistency of meringue, like if you have them, if you whipped it to those nice thick peaks, okay? But once it hits the back of your tongue, all you taste is sour. But it's a good sour. It's that, if y'all remember grape now laters, that's how it tastes to me. This is good. I guess because I like this consistency. It's really cool. This is a fun DIY kit. It's fun. I like it. Okay. Alright, y'all. So I think that'll do it for this video. I gotta get all this candy out my teeth. And if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, look out for more DIY kits. Also look out for the Tokyo Treat unboxings. I haven't done the unboxings of all of them, but I will do February. Since I did the January DIY kit, I'll leave a link above to the DIY kits. That way you can see them if you want to watch them. But I think the box that I have currently, which came several days ago, is February's Tokyo Treat box. So I will do a live unboxing of that. I'll also link that above as well. So be sure to check that out. But if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos coming here in the near future. This is Lynn, aka GGT, Gaming Gadgets and Technology, and we'll see you all on the next one.